Naked I came to this bundle of leaves, my mom cleaning my quilts. I had nothing but her and the green. I couldn't see the bark of our trees, nor their roots, nor the ground brewing my food. I didn't know of all other birds and the fox, nor of the water where we land with the flock. Naked I came to this bundle of leaves, and naked I stayed, spreading my wings, when I saw that my tree was just one among many trees. There's an origin I see to this house, a mother that's bigger than mine. It's down, it's the earth, it's the ground. I scan it and learn it in all of my flights. I can map it with my eyes, I can own it. Everything is in my sight. I speak beech, I speak oak, I know where's the fruit that is ripe. Naked I came to this forest of leaves with the one purpose to sing. This house is a theater, conductor, the wind. I've never known anything else than this. Nobody taught me this could stop exist. Nobody said I could lose it, my bundle of leaves. Nobody taught me maize, nobody taught me soy. Nobody taught me grey and nobody taught me noise. Nobody told me my house could fall, my house could burn, my house could stop. My tree was huge and now is small. My tree was small and now is wall, wheel, way, hole. Nobody knows beech and nobody speaks oak. Nothing the earth brews, the mother is choked. Where did you all bring the fruits? Where did you all hide the streams? Conductor left, the audience is deaf. I've never known anything else than this.